Are you in the food industry, developing new products, or scaling up production? NoWFOOD offers a range of comprehensive support packages. Our superb facilities include industrial food production kitchens and a base for companies to access food technology and product development support. Our team of dedicated professionals can help nurture young food businesses, as well as provide research and support to established manufacturers. We offer modern facilities and technical support, so you can upscale your production, develop new products, find innovative solutions and access training, helping you to explore new markets. NoWFOOD specialist services include a sophisticated sensory suite, offering manufacturers an opportunity to obtain valuable and real consumer feedback, as well as market insight and quality assurance. Bespoke assessment packages are available too, to increase your company's competitive advantage through in-depth reports. NoWFOOD laboratories are also available to all food businesses, offering you the opportunity to conduct a wide range of routine testing, special projects or research activities, including food chemical analysis, nutritional analysis, and many more, helping you to understand the physical and chemical properties of your products. So whether you're an entrepreneur or a large producer, NoWFOOD offers you everything you need for success.